Greetings and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have Vivo Y29 5G smartphone, and in this video I'll show you some amazing tips and tricks and hidden features of this smartphone. So if you're planning to purchase this phone or you have already bought this, then this video can be really helpful for you. So watch till the end and enjoy this video. Whenever you use your phone with a single hand, then it feels really uneasy to reach at the top and open this control center and notification bar. But there's a gesture by which you can easily open this. Simply tap and hold on the home screen and then click on home settings. There you will see the option of swipe downwards on home screen. Click on this. By default it is selected to global search. You have to select notification center. Now whenever you are on home screen, you can simply swipe down on the empty area, then it will open your control center as well as your notification bar. You can use two applications at the same time in a single screen with the help of a simple gesture. Let me show you how you can do this. Simply open the first application and then swipe up by using three fingers like this, and then select the second application. As you can see, you will be able to use two applications at the same time in a single screen. By default, this phone doesn't show your battery percentage in your status bar. To enable this, simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on display and brightness. Again scroll down, there you will see the option of status bar. Click on this and then click on battery style and percentage. Here you can also change the battery style, as you can see, and you can also show your battery percentage inside the battery or outside the battery. So that's how you can show your battery percentage in the status bar in this smartphone. You can also monitor your real-time internet speed in this smartphone, and you don't have to download any third-party app for that. Simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on display and brightness. Again scroll down, click on status bar. There you will see the option of show real-time network speed. If you will enable this, then it will start showing your internet speed in your status bar. Right now, even if your smartphone is locked, anyone can access your control center and change any of these settings. But if you want to disable this, then follow these steps. Simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on lock screen and wallpaper. Again scroll down and then click on lock screen settings. There you will see the option of open control center from the lock screen. Simply disable this. Now whenever your phone is locked, no one can access your control center from here or change any of those settings. You can also fully customize your lock screen, change the clock style, you can add your name here, change the font color, etc. To do that, simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on lock screen and wallpaper, click on lock screen settings and then click on custom lock screen. Now if you want to change the color of the clock, click on this. Here you can change the color, you can also change the font of this, and you can also change the style of this digital clock. You can change the opacity from here. After this, click on cross. You can also change these quick settings. You can select your favorite application here, so you can access these apps whenever your phone is locked. Now if you want to add your name, and then click on add quick settings, click on signature and then click on edit, write your name and then click on OK. After this, click on apply. Now it will change your locked screen as per your liking. You can clone a lot of applications in this smartphone and use two accounts of a single application. To do that, simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on apps. There you will see the option of app clone. Click on this. Here are all the apps which are clonable in your smartphone. Simply enable the app you want to clone. It will take few seconds. After that, it will make a clone or dual of this application. As you can see in my app drawer, I have two Facebooks now, and I can log in with two different accounts in a single application. If you use your phone at night a lot, then you must use the next two features. Simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on display and brightness. The first one is eye protection. Simply enable this, so it will warm the color of your screen little bit. So with the help of that, you can decrease the pressure on your eyes. The second one is dark theme. If you will enable this, then it will turn all the whites into black of the smartphone. This will also decrease the pressure on your eyes. So you can use these two features to protect your eyes whenever you're using your phone at night. This phone comes with a cool feature of dynamic light. By default, this feature is enabled, but you can further customize this. To customize this, follow these steps. Open your settings, scroll down and then click on shortcut and accessibility. Scroll down to the bottom, there you will see the option of dynamic light. Click on this. By default, it is enabled only for incoming calls. You can enable it for notification. You can also apply it for specific apps, for example for Facebook's or for WhatsApp only. You can also enable this for music and battery level. So you can customize this cool effect dynamic light that looks really cool on the back of your smartphone and customize it a lot. You can read deleted messages from WhatsApp, Instagram, etc. and you don't have to download any third-party app. But keep in mind, you have to keep this feature enabled for that. Simply open your settings and then click on notifications. There you will see the option of notification history. Click on this and then enable notification history. Now it will save all the notifications that will receive in this smartphone and you can read them even after they will delete it. If you like to multitask in your smartphone, then the next feature is for you. The feature's name is Smart Sidebar. By default, this feature is enabled. You can see a transparent bar on the right side of the screen. To open this, simply swipe to the left like this. Click on Got It. As you can see, there are few apps. You can also customize this. Click on this little arrow and then click on Edit. You can add your favorite application here and also remove unnecessary application from here. Click on Done. Now if you will open any application from this sidebar, it will open it in floating window, just like your desktop or laptop. You can resize it from corners, drag and drop it anywhere on the screen like this. Now you can keep on using your smartphone and it will remain as floating window on your smartphone. So you can use this smart sidebar feature if you like to multitask in your smartphone. You can also open any application as floating window. Simply open any application, put it in recent and then click on this apps icon. Here click on small window. It will open it in floating window. You can resize it, drag and drop it and keep on using your smartphone like this. You can also hide any application in this smartphone. Simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on security. Scroll down and then click on privacy and app encryption. Firstly, you have to set a privacy password. You can set a 6-digit password or you can set a pattern pin. Here I select pattern, draw a pattern and then confirm your pattern. You have to answer to security questions and then click on next. You can set your email address as well, otherwise go back. Now click on app hiding. Firstly, enable view hidden apps. Now it will show all the applications which are installed in your smartphone. Select the app you want to hide. For example, I want to hide my files. Click on don't remind me later and then click on confirm. Now if you want to access your hidden apps, then simply come to your home screen and then swipe up by using 2 fingers like this. Draw your privacy password, then it will show your hidden application. So that's how you can hide and access your hidden application in this smartphone. You can also enable a handy feature, which is you can shake your phone to turn on your flashlight. To enable this, simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on shortcut and accessibility. Click on smart motion and then enable the shake to turn on the flashlight. Now whenever you are on home screen and you will shake your phone like this, then it will turn on your flashlight. You can also enable double tap to lock and double tap to unlock your smartphone, so you don't have to keep on pressing your power button. To do that, simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on shortcut and accessibility. Click on smart motion and then click on smart motion on or off. Firstly, enable double tap to wake and then enable double tap to turn off. Now whenever you are on home screen, you can simply double tap on the empty area, then it will lock your smartphone, and if you will double tap on the empty area, it will wake your screen up. Right now, if you will long press the power button, then it will launch your voice assistant application instead of opening your power menu. If you want to set it to power menu, then follow these steps. Simply open your settings, click on shortcut and accessibility, scroll down and there you will see the option of press and hold power button. Click on this. Again click on press and hold power button. By default it is selected to Google Assistant. You have to select power and emergency menu. Now if you will long press the power button, then it will launch your power menu. But if you want to keep this as your voice assistant, now you want to power off your smartphone, then you can press the volume up button and power button at the same time, then it will launch your power menu. There is another way by which you can launch your power menu. Simply open your control center, scroll down again. There on the bottom you will see an icon of power. Simply click on this, then it will also open your power menu. Whenever your phone is locked, you can simply long press your volume down button to turn on your flashlight and again long press it again to turn it off. But you can also set your favorite application for this action. To do that, simply open your settings, Scroll down and then click on shortcut and accessibility. Scroll down, there you will see the option of quick action. Here you have different options. You can also select any application, click on open app and then select your favorite application. Now whenever your phone is locked, you can simply long press your volume down button, then it will launch your favorite application. If you want to change the order of these three buttons, or if you want to change it to gesture navigation, then open your settings, scroll down to the bottom and then click on system. On the top you will see the option of system navigation, click on this. Now if you want to change the order, you can change it from here. Here you have two different styles as well. Select your favorite order. Now if you want to set it to gesture navigation, then select gesture navigation. Now you can go back like this. Open your recent apps like this and jump to your home screen like this. So these were some amazing tips and tricks and hidden features of Vivo Y29 5G smartphone. If this video was helpful for you, then please let us know in the comment section and hit that like button. We will see you in the next one. Till then, have fun and keep on exploring your smartphone.